Hi kindergarten, we're here to learn about patterns in our hundreds chart. And patterns are the things that happen in the same way again and again and again. And that is helpful to us. Because if we know what's coming next, then we can have more ideas and work faster and see how things are connected. So with a pattern, you kind of know what's going to happen next. And I bet you guys like it when you just know what's going to happen next. It's like you know the answer already. And that's why we love patterns. Okay, so let's do our pattern thing again on the hundreds chart. So across the top, we know it's the counting pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, always goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And then we know down this side, we also have a 1 and a 0, a 2 and a 0, a 3 and a 0, a 4 and a 0, a 5 and a 0, a 6 and a 0. And of course, our next one is going to be, following the pattern, a 7 and a 0. Now, we know that this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Hear the pattern? That's helpful for us. They're all called something T, just to make it easy. Okay, the first one is 10, but then it's T, 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 T. Should we say it together? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. But this one will be 80, this one will be 90, and then right here, something different. Okay. And we know that all these are the ruler numbers, and behind them hang out their number. So this is, here's our ruler. We know that 60 is the ruler of the sixes. So behind our 60, we're going to take out all our sixes and send them down here. Right? Okay, now, who is on the 1 team? All these guys. So let's put down a 1. 2 team. All these guys are on the 2 team. They're all the 2s. These guys are all the 3s. These guys will take out a 4 because they're all on the 4 team. Whoops. Here's the 5s. There they are. And the 6s. Down here. There's all our 7s. Go down here. Everything in this column here is an 8, and everything in this column is a 9. Okay, so let's add the 7s. Oh, I mean the 6s, sorry. We're adding the 6s. Ready? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Move over 5, we want to see you. There we go. 65, 60. Ooh, what's that one? 66, 67, 68, 69. Okay, shall we count together? 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, something a bit different. 70. Now, there's something I want to show you. You guessed it, it's this part. Last time I asked you to fill in all the 5s all on your own, and you probably came up with something like this. Now, turn over the page, because following a pattern, what do you think is coming next? Yeah, you know exactly what to do. This is what we always do. Now we're going to fill it in for all the 6s. Do you think there's going to be 6s down here? Do you think there's going to be 6s up here? I just want to show you one thing. See where the long column and the row meet right here on the 1s page? It's a 1 and a 1, double 1, 11, right? Now look at the 2s page and see where the column and the row meet right here. There's a 2 and a 2. A 1 and a 1, a 2 and a 2. Might this be another pattern? Look at your 3s page. Look in the middle where the column and the row meet. Oh, 3 and a 3. Let's look at the 4s and see if it's a 4 and 4 in the middle there. This is exciting. Maybe we've discovered another pattern in our hundreds chart. Take a look. Where do they cross over? A 4 and a 4. And we did our 5 last week. Look, there's the 5. A 5 and a 5 where they cross over. That means there's probably going to be a 6 and a 6 where the column and the rows cross over. Right in the middle there'll be a 6 and a 6 maybe. Try it out. Let's see. The end.